Okay guys, these boxes have been sitting around my house now for like 2 weeks. So it is definitely time for a video. Hi guys, welcome back. I am really excited. I have had piles of boxes with shoes in them in several rooms in my house for weeks now. So I'm like, it is time to do my silver shoe haul. So you may remember from my last video, this video, that I got a new bag for Christmas, and I thought that that bag would look really good with some silver shoes. And if you forgot the bag, well, let me get it out for you. It is my current favorite thing on the planet. It is the gold sequined MARMONT bag from Gucci. So what I realized when I got this bag is that none of my gold shoes actually go with this gold bag, because this gold bag really is more yellow, which is very cool, but it just meant that my whole gold shoe collection, which I will link below, is not gonna work with this particular purse. So I was like, I think I need some silver shoes because the hardware is silver and it just is a very cool contrast. The cool silver and then the very warm yellow. So anyway, yeah, I just went online and I just bought everything that looked halfway interesting. So I have a variety of price points and a variety of styles to show you. I'm gonna go from cheapest to most expensive. In total, I think I got 7 pairs. So yeah, let's get started. So the first pair are these. They are by the brand Glamorous. I got them on Asos. And these babies were by far the cheapest. They were $17.60. And here they are. And I like them. I mean, for that price, really, how can you go wrong? They're fairly comfortable. The only thing that I'm not crazy about is the finish on them. It's a textured faux leather, and I was really wanting like shiny, like mirrored finish. But yeah, they're not bad at all. Like I said, especially for $17.40. Yeah, so I was pleasantly surprised by these. And I thought they'd be uncomfortable, but they're really not. I mean, they're not the most comfortable, but they're fairly comfortable. And I got these in a UK 5, which, by the way, oh my God, I'm so confused, because normally when I buy shoes online, if they're European sizes, it's always a 37 is always what I wear. And I wear a 7 in American sizes, but apparently, like these are a 38 European sizes. So anyway, that was kind of confusing. Okay, so that's the first pair. Okay, the next pair I got were by Vero Moda. And these also were from Asos. And this was just a different style. I wanted to try a silver sneaker. So I think they're really cute. They were $43. But they're way too small, so I couldn't even really try them on. And it was weird because, like I said, I always buy a European 37 and I always find that that's a perfect fit. And these are a European 37, but they're way too small. So I don't know what happened. They're cute, but I mean, I don't think they're so cute that I actually need to go through the trouble of ordering my actual proper size. Because I did find some silver sneakers, which you will see at the very end of this video, that are outrageously expensive, but so freaking cool. Okay, so these, it's like, yeah, they're all right, they're cute. Whatever, nothing compared to what I'm gonna show you. Okay, the next, actually I got 2 pairs from Zappos. Those were both the same price. They're both $70. Okay, one of them is Chinese laundry, and I became a huge fan of Chinese laundry last spring when I bought these, which I love. I never thought anything about Chinese laundry, but I saw an ad for these and I bought them and I love them. They are so fun and so cute. They still have them, I think. They come in like pink, yellow, black, and mint green. Yeah, so these were like one of my favorite buys from last spring. And I did a shoot video that I will link below where I show these. So I'm a fan of Chinese laundry because of those. However, these shoes that I bought, I'm not so in love with. So this is the Luna sandal by Chinese Laundry. And I don't like the faux finish on them. I think it makes them look really cheap. I think the style is cute, but I don't like that faux finish. I don't know if it's supposed to be snake or alligator, but also too, the silver itself is like a darker silver and I really wanted like a bright silver. So these I'm not a fan of. The next pair is another sporty pair. These aren't the best ones. Saving those for last. Okay, these are Stan Smith Adidas in silver. And my husband has the white Stan Smiths that I feel like lots of people have. And they look so good on him. They're such a cool sneaker. So I thought, oh, maybe silver. But I don't know, I'm not in love with them. To me, they look more gray. They're not as like shiny as I wanted. I wanted like a real shiny metallic color. So, they're okay. These are also $70. Okay, moving on to Nordstrom. So I got these, and these I really liked because I don't know if you remember Dr. Scholl's, but I remember having a pair of those. But yeah, so these totally reminded me of those. It's like the wooden sole and the leather top part. And I think they're cute, but the only problem is they're so flat. They need more of a heel, or at least that's what I really liked about the Dr. Scholl's. They had a bigger heel. So I don't know, these just look kind of weird to me. Although I really like the metallic leather. I think that's really pretty. It's a good silver. But yeah, I don't know, they don't really do anything for me. So, and these are $115 from Nordstrom. So, okay, moving on. Okay, these were actually a Valentine's Day gift from my husband, and I was so excited about them. So they are the perfect silver metallic, like super shiny, almost look like a mirror. And look how cool that is. That is gangsta. That gold detail in the back. Okay, so you would think those are perfect, right? Like if you just want like simple silver heels, but I don't know if you can tell, this front part is really long and it like cut my foot off and just kind of hurt. So these were $360 and it's like, you know what, for that much I don't want my foot to hurt. So yeah, unfortunately, I think these are gonna have to go back. But that's okay. I bought myself a better Valentine's Day present, which I will show you in another video. Anyway, I think they're really pretty to look at, but just on a human foot, I don't know, they just look weird and they really kind of like pinch right here. So I don't know. I have narrow feet. I wear size 7. So I don't know what the deal is, Prada. OMG! Are you ready for this? The best shoes. Of course, the most expensive. Are you ready? Ugh. They're from Nordstrom. They are Golden Goose. You've probably heard of Golden Goose because I feel like every street style fashionista has a pair. But they are sneakers made in Italy that are outrageously expensive and intentionally made to look dirty. So here they are. These are the ones I ordered. How amazing is this? So these shoes are $640. And I guess well, obviously you're paying for the name, you're paying for the status. But again, I mean, they're not made in China, you know, they're made in Italy. They're super comfortable, very stylish. I even went on eBay to see like, well, do they have these golden gooses like for cheaper anywhere? And even on eBay, they're like $400, $500, like used ones. So I don't know what the deal is, but I really love these. And then I'll just show you like, I don't know if you can see, but see how the sole, it's like intentionally distressed, which I don't know, it's kind of fun. It's different. But I don't know. I mean, that's a lot of money for a sneaker, so we'll see about these. But yeah, I really like them. Totally. Totally, dude. Okay. And see, these are the only ones that come with a dust bag. And for that much money, they fucking matter. Okay guys, that was a lot of fun. To sum it up, I guess I would say my favorites, honestly, were the cheapest one and the most expensive one. The Glamorous heels and the golden gooses. Okay guys, I would love to hear your thoughts. Leave a comment below, leave a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you next week. Bye.